हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू प्राइश एजू। स्टूडेंट, आज हम सीखेंगे क्लास 5 ईवीएस पार्ट 2 में जो हमारा 8th चैप्टर है बिगिनिंग ऑफ सेटल लाइफ, जिसमें आज हम एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर सीखेंगे जो होंगे आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस, डिस्क्राइब ब्रीफली, शॉर्ट नोट ऑन। तो चलो शुरुआत करते हैं आज के इस वीडियो को। लेकिन इसके पहले स्टूडेंट, मेरी आप सबसे एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है, फॉर मोर वीडियोज, वर्कशीट्स एंड टेस्ट पेपर्स काइंडली विजिट एट www.prasheju.com। तो चलो शुरुआत करते हैं आज के इस वीडियो को। फर्स्ट है यहाँ पे आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन वन सेंटेंस एंड द फर्स्ट वन इज how many steps are there in the domestication of a species of any animal? And the answer is there are 3 main steps in domestication of a species of any animal. Next one, what is the meaning of taming the animal in the process of domestication? Answer is taming the captured animals in the process of domestication means training them to live with humans. Next one, which animals were domesticated first? And the answer is the dog is the first animal to have been domesticated. The goat and sheep were domesticated next. Next one है, what is animal husbandry? And the answer is domestication animals and keeping them for our own use is called animal husbandry. Next one is, when did agriculture first began? And the answer is archaeological evidence is available to show that agriculture first began about 11,000 years ago in Israel and Iraq. Next one is, how do women used to sow seeds? And the answer is they might have used pointed sticks to sow seeds. In order to help dig deeper into the soil, the stick was weighted using a perforated stone. Next one is, what was the main reason for increased agricultural production? And the answer is agricultural production increased considerably after the plough pulled by animals came into use. Next one is, how salt trade helped the expansion of trade in the New Stone Age? And the answer is salt is an essential item. Most of the village settlements needed to obtain it from far away places. Salt traders also traded articles they received in exchange of salt. The salt trade helped the expansion of trade in the New Stone Age. Next one is, who were chiefs? And the answer is people responsible for the implementation of these rules became the chiefs of village settlements. The chiefs were entrusted with the protection of the village. Next one is, why did the village community make rules? And the answer is the village community made rules for mutual cooperation in order to keep this system of trade and distribution of resources running smoothly. Next one is, what was the need of protective walls and moats around the village settlement of the New Stone Age? And the answer is evidence of protective walls and moats around the village settlements of the New Stone Age has been found in excavations. These walls were built to protect the village settlements from floods, wild animals and outsiders who stole village cattle. Next one is, how were the walls of houses made up? And the answer is the walls were screens woven from sticks or bamboo plastered with mud or cow dung. Next है यहाँ पे describe briefly, and the first one is, what are the 3 main steps in domestication of a species of any animal? Answer is there are 3 main steps in domestication of a species of any animal. First one is capture of the wild animal. Second is taming the captured animals, that is training them to live with humans. Third one, obtaining useful materials like milk etc. from them and training them to work for humans as a beast of burden. Next one is explain structure of houses, and the answer is the house at the beginning of the New Stone Age were made of wattle and daub. The walls were screens woven from sticks or bamboo plastered with mud or cow dung. Later, the population of village settlements grew because food was available in plenty. The village settlements became permanent and expanded. Still later, people began to build quadrangular houses of sun-dried bricks. Some houses appear to have had more than one room. The houses were built very close to each other. Regional differences are seen in the styles of construction houses depending on local climate. Next one is explain family systems and kinship during New Stone Age. And the answer is it appears from the plans of the houses and the village settlements that people staying there belong to a single clan. It means that they were all related to one another. Thus, the entire village settlement was an extended family. People living in one house were close relations, but they were also members of the extended village family. A dead person was buried either in the house or in the courtyard. Perhaps the idea was that the person's bond with the family should not get cut off even after death. Families would also bury various articles with the dead person for them to use even after death. Next one is explain special skills and other occupations developed during New Stone Age. And the answer is in the agriculture system it became possible to store food grains for long periods. There was more food available than was needed by the community. Some women and men thus began to get spare time for experimentation and for using their natural creativity to develop special skills. Members of such special skills were given work based on those skills. Thus arose crafts like making earthen pots, beads, etc. It is believed that in the New Stone Age, women made earthen pots and other earthen objects by hand. Next one है short note on, and the first one is write a short note on domestication of animals. And the answer is domesticated animals like a dog, goat, sheep, cattle, buffalo, etc. are useful to man in many ways. There are three main steps in the domestication of a species of any animal. First one is capture of wild animal. Second, taming the captured animals, that is training them to live with humans. Third one, obtaining useful materials like milk etc. from them and training them to work for humans as beasts of burden. When the third step is achieved, the animal is supposed to be completely domesticated. Domestication animals and keeping them for our own use is called animal husbandry. The dog is the first animal to have been domesticated. Dogs were used to help with hunting. The goat and sheep were domesticated next. Next one है explain how a social system based on agriculture came into existence. And the answer is archaeological evidence is available to show that agriculture first began about 11,000 years ago in Israel and Iraq. Women were credited to have started cultivation. They might have used pointed sticks to sow seeds. Women in some tribes still sow seeds by this method. In order to help dig deeper into the soil, the stick was weighted using a perforated stone. Agricultural production increased considerably after the plough pulled by the animals came into use. Agriculture became the main source of livelihood. Now people began to worship nature and various deities for good crops. Essential things like sharing of agricultural tasks and water resources and the security of the village settlement gained importance. People in the village settlements established some rules and customs to manage these things. Thus, a social system based on agriculture came into existence. सो स्टूडेंट ये थे एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर्स जो हमने आपके लिए तैयार किए थे. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आता है तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करना. सो स्टूडेंट थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.